He is absolutely in love with this Lego. We just got it. He was so excited.
There's the baby's body.
Baby's body?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. So he saw that there's a little baby. That's exciting. There's like a little head in there. That's very cute. This is our first little baby.
That's the head. That's the body.
He absolutely loved the motorcycle guy. Yeah.
Because that's me.
That's him. That's literally looks like him when he does motorcycling. So many different little people, which is cool. The box is, this is how big the box is, just for your reference. And then there's also all this info on how to build it.
There's a eagle.
Eagle. Oh, and he caught a fish. That's cool.
Here's the eagle.
You like it, Giselle?
Yeah.
Cool.
Very much.
Very much.
And look, this is the my circles.
Nice.
That's the guys.
And there's like a lot of like the hairstyles and everything like that.
Ooh, this is
Which is awesome.
Grandma's hair.
Grandma's hair?
It's hers.
That's funny.
Find her.